Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is another episode of Look What the Postman Brought Me. And today got quite a lot of stuff, but some of it the postman didn't bring me. My friend Martin dropped by. We did a trade with some cars and some parts, so we'll look into that. And I got a package from the UK. I think we'll just start with this one. Yep. So this is these are for two-wheel drives. The Pepper, is it called? Is it Pepper Jack? Yeah, two-wheel drive. And these ones, I'm not sure if you've seen my speed run with my top force, where I crash into a concrete block. Well, it turns out that one of the rims got shattered or broken, so I needed a new pair of those. So yeah, so now I got it, so I can put my spike tires back on with that again. And okay, so let's see what Martin brought me. Yeah, so this was a swap. I swapped one of my TT-01 cars and all of my, well, at least almost all of my M05 parts, since I don't have any M05 cars. So yeah, so this is from Yeah Racing. It's aluminum parts for the TT-02B, and I got one TT-02B, the one I made to the white edition, but since I made that one in the white edition, I think I have almost all the parts I need to build another one with all the black parts. So, but I'll see. But my thought was I could put this on the black chassis then. Yeah. Then he had some parts for the TRF 415. So here's some adjusters. It's some suspension mounts and front bridge suspension mount. And this is also for the TB Evolution. It's upright, the rear one, 0 degrees. And this is lightweight wheels axle for reversible suspension. Yeah. So I think these will be great to have in my parts box if I ever break something. So could be good to have if they fit the Mark Reinhardt edition. I'm not sure. Yeah, so what did I swap my TT-01 car for? Well, I swapped it for this. Yeah, it's TA-02. And it's in, yeah, it's in parts. It got the FRP chassis. So, and let's see what else is there here. Yeah, seems like it got some kind of aluminum damper mount, but this gearbox is shattered. It's no use. This is a part I've never seen into. I'm not sure what it is. Is it? Oh yeah, it's for the chassis. And got some alloy steering rack. FRP upper deck, FRP damper mount, yeah, alloy center drive shafts. So yeah, so why did I get this car or these parts? Well, actually I'm not gonna build up this car. I just got this because I need the parts for when I'm building up my pink chassis. So I will just be keeping like some of the small parts from this one. Maybe the gears, if I don't take all new ones, I could use these ones. And yeah, some of the stuff in the car I can use. But it's just like minor things. Hopefully there are some drive shafts there. At least there's one, because that's what I really need. So yeah, I will have to have a look and see. If not, I will have to buy new ones. Oh yeah, and actually guys, I did buy something from him as well. Ta-da! A Kyosho Zaboon, or whatever you pronounce it. So why did I buy this buggy? Well, actually it looks better than I thought it would be. I thought it was like some kind of cheap RC car, but it looks okay. But I paid cheap money for it. So, but the reason I bought this one, let me take the body off and I'll show you. The only reason why I bought this one is this. It's a white receiver and a white speed controller. So why? What's so special about having those in white? Well, they're actually gonna be in my DF03 white edition MS car once I build that one up. That was my thought. So, I will give this car a go and see how it goes. Maybe we should do something crazy with it and put some brushless in it and see it go. But first I have to see if it's possible to get the gears for new gears for this one. If not, I'm not gonna do that, because if I break the gears, I'm not able to run the car again or sell it. So yeah, there you have it. That's what the postman brought me this time. And as always, if something else turns up before I post this video, I'm gonna add that to this one. And yeah, hi everyone, got another package. So this one is from China. It's something I really need for my TRF-81. So let's just open it and have a look. Yep. It's a wheel wrench. Hopefully it will fit. It's a 17 millimeters. So yeah, we got another box, and this box I've been waiting for a long time. So, well, not that long time, but I think I ordered it a month ago or something like that. And I need this one to get one of my biggest projects going. And I'm really looking forward to getting that up and running. And here it is. Look at this. Electric conversion kit for the Tamiya TRF-108 buggy. So finally I can start on this project, removing the gas engine and installing the stuff I need, able to be putting an electric motor in it, and it's gonna be an 6S motor and batteries and speed control. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this and want to see more how this turns out, this awesome project, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get an update on when I release a video. So until then, just take care and have fun, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.